breathing exercise. Cow and cat pose breathing. I will show you. You have to follow it. If you have any blanket, you have to put on your knee. Otherwise, same. You have to put on your knee mat. Okay. Kneel down first. Okay. Inhale, exhale normally. Yes. Your arm length distance you have to put first and one palm length forward. Okay, be like that. Legs spread. Inhale, lift your neck up. Exhale, head down. Like that. Cow pose, cat pose. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, down. Okay, do it 10 times. When inhale, your head should be up. When exhale, your head should be down. Do it 10 times. You can feel the breath. You can observe your lower spine. See, you can observe your lower spine, neck. Okay, and exhale like that. Here also you can observe your lower back. Do it 10 times. Normal inhale and exhale. Okay, I hope all are doing. Okay, thank you. Next asana, I will show you. Okay. Standing asana is Tadasana. And slowly come back to normal breathe. In this pose, we have to follow a hand stretch upward. Okay, Tadasana only. Okay, inhale, exhale, both hands up. And if not possible, leg wide half inch and lift your heel up. I will show you back side also. Lift your heel up. Okay. Normal breathe 10 times. This Tadasana is good for all advanced asana, future asana. This is good for lower back pain also. Tadasana is starting asana. Tadasana is good for lower back also. Back pain reduced. Okay. Next, I hope all are done. Okay. Come back to another asana. Trikona asana, triangle pose. Okay. I will show you step by step. Okay. Stand in Tadasana and both legs wide, how much is possible. You are flexible. Okay. Right leg right side, left leg inside. First, both hands should be waistline. Yes. Normal inhale, exhale. Tighten your kneecap. Inhale, exhale. Your right hand should be on the right leg. You can hold your shin bone. How you are flexible. First day, so you can hold your hand shin bone. Okay. Look at chest lift. Look at your face up. If you are comfortable, left hand should be up. Otherwise, look forward. Normal breathe 6 times. After 6 times, left hand down and relax your right hand. and right leg parallel, and slowly come back. Again, left side. You have to do left side. I will show you one more time. Leg spread. Left leg left side, right leg inside, and hold your both hand on the waist, and left hand should be stretched, and inhale, exhale, bend on your left side. First comfortable the asana, and just lift. You are comfortable, right hand is up. Same instruction follow. Again, right hand down, left hand relax, and both legs parallel, come back. Yes, this I will tell you. Trikonasana is good for flexibility, mobility, and stretch well. Okay, and basically very important, breathing technique is very important. Normal breathing, Trikonasana. Okay, next go forward to another asana, standing pose, Ardha Uttanasana. Okay, half Uttanasana. I will show you. Another standing pose is Ardha Uttanasana, half pose. Okay, I will show you. Leg apart, stand erect, roll your shoulder, breathe well, just lift, tighten your kneecap. Most important, every asana. Okay, Tirasukam asana, that is Patanjali Yoga Sutra 1. Okay, now both hands stretch upward, tighten your kneecap, inhale, exhale, stretch your hip back, tighten the knee. Okay, kneecap should be tightened, and both fingers should be joined. How much you are flexible, you can do, because it is first day of the class. Okay, no force, look forward. If you have any guiltiness, head relax. Normal inhale and exhale. Okay, 6 breathe only. After breathe, slowly come up. Relax your hand, relax your body completely. Yes. Sit on Sukhasana. Same chin mudra. Close your eyes. Then breathe normal. Close the eyes. All of you, please follow my instructions. You can observe your breathing technique. Sahajavada Usirata, normal breath. Yes, slowly come back to normal breath. Next asana, already I told you Uttanasana. Benefit I told you right now. Okay, Uttanasana, half Uttanasana is good for your hand finger to leg finger will be very stretched. That is good for future asana, advanced pose. I have to do easy. Okay. Next asana, I will show you single leg Vajrasana. Okay, I will show you step by step how to do. This is sitting pose. Yes, both legs forward. Okay. First, inhale, exhale, normal the right leg fold, okay, and left leg should be straight towards the chest. Our leg toes should be towards the chest, back erect, normal breathe 5 times. Okay, after 5 breathe, change the leg. Okay, left leg now. Okay, same instruction you have to follow, left leg also, and close the eyes, 5 breaths. Main important is tighten the knee and toes towards the chest, and lower spine should be straight. Yeah. Relax your left leg. Now you are comfortable with both legs. Now you can move to both legs. Okay? I will show you how to do. 2 ways I will show you. One is side pose, one is back pose. Okay? I am comfortable, I will do easy. Okay? You are not comfortable, I don't know. Okay. Both legs fold and join the heel, both heel. Sit on your heel. If you are comfortable, join the heel. If not comfortable, little bit wide your heel. And sit on your heel, your back should be straight. Normal breathe 6 times. I will show you back side also. Your both knee, feet should be together and sit on your heel. This is perfect pose of Vajrasana. Okay, after 5 or 6 breaths and release your leg. Okay, and rotate your both leg clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. Next, I will suggest you what are the benefits of Vajrasana. Main 2 benefit is Vajra means diamond. Diamond so very costly, so that all the benefits got in Vajrasana pose like that. Vajrasana is good for digestive system. Okay, and your back should be straight. Strengthening the heel, strengthening the back. Okay, these are very important benefits for Vajrasana. Okay, next, go on. One is forward bending. Okay, I will show you. Name of the asana is Janu Shirshasana. Okay. After the asana completion, I will explain you what are the benefits. This is forward bending pose. Okay, I will show you. Both legs forward. Okay. Right leg fold. Okay, keep it side. Left leg forward and toes towards the chest. Same here also. Both hands up. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. How much you possible? You can possible like that, this much only, no problem. If you are comfortable, forward like that, okay, no problem. More bending, you are flexible, your forehead touch on the ground, forehead or nose or chin. How much you are flexible, okay? This is very good for lower back pain also. Okay? Yeah. In this pose, you have to breathe 6 breaths. After 6 breaths, change the leg. Okay? Right leg forward, left leg forward. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Here also you have to do 6 breath. Okay. Be there only 6 breath. Inhale, exhale, 1 count. Inhale, exhale, 2 count. Inhale, exhale, 3 count. Be there only. Inhale, exhale, 4 count. Inhale, exhale, 5 count. Inhale, exhale, 6 count. Yes, slowly come to normal pose in Sukhasana. Yes. Now, next asana is Bhujangasana. I will show you. This is my favorite asana also. This is very good for little bit back bending. Okay. I will show you. Not very tough. It was very easy. I will show you step by step. Okay. First, sit on the mat or like that blanket. Vajrasana pose. Okay. This is forward bending pose. Yes. Like it. Lie down on the mat. Yes. Your both hands should be near to chest. Okay. If you are flexible, both legs together. If not possible, leg wide. Okay. When inhale, lift your chest level, head up. Normal breathe. 1. Inhale, exhale. Okay, 6 times you have to do. I will count. Inhale, exhale. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5. Inhale, exhale. 6. And relax your body, relax your hands. Okay. Now your hand should be little bit back. Okay, I will show you. Inhale, little bit up. Now same inhale, exhale 6 times. Do it yourself. If you are flexible, neck up. 6 times breathe. After 6 breathe, relax your hand, relax your body. Okay. Last one. Okay, you are comfortable. Not comfortable, don't do. Okay. Okay. Final pose. Bhujangasana. Yes. Both hands straight. Spread your both fingers and look up and squeeze your buttock. Neck up. If you are possible, not possible, don't do. Okay, here also 6 breathe. Okay, inhale and exhale normally breathing. This is final pose of Bhujangasana. Yes. How much you possible you can do. No force anyone. Because today is first day. Okay. Okay. Slowly come back. If you're done. Not done, you can do and come back. Sit on child pose. Okay, I will show you. This is relax the pose. Both hands forward. Here also 5 breaths normal. come back. Okay, slowly come back. Yes. Next, I will tell you, Bhujangasana is good for lower back pain and headache like that, and shoulder catcher like that. These are benefits. Okay. Next asana I will show you, single leg and single hand Shalabhasana. Okay, it is very good. Okay, I already told you Stira Sukham Asanam. In Kannada we call Stiravagi ಮಾಡುವ ಭಂಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಭಂಗಿಯೇ ಆಸನ. And we call that Stira Sukham Asana. Okay, I will show you. Same, lie down on your tummy. First, you have to see the asana. Both hands forward, both legs relax. Okay, head forward, relax. First. Okay. First, right hand up, and your head should be up. Normal breath. Down. Again, change your hand. Left hand up. Normal breath. Down. Again, legs. Right leg up. How much you possible, you can do. Down. Afterwards, left leg. You are flexible, stretch up. Otherwise, no problem. Hip level. Down. Relax. Then slowly come back. Again, child pose, Shashankhasana. Relax. You have to do all of you. Be there only 3-4 breaths in Shashankhasana, child pose. Yes. Yes. I already told you, single leg and single hand stretch movement, Shalabhasana pose. Okay. That is good for stretching, hand stretching and leg stretching is very good. Okay, Shalabhasana. Okay. Soumya?
Yes, Ashwini.
How many minutes there already?
We still have 15 more minutes.
15?
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. 2-3 is there. Pedna said every day pranayama is there because of COVID pandemic. Okay, in 10 minutes today I can teach pranayama, breathing technique. I will teach today. Okay, one asana, last asana I will show you, single leg Pavana Muktasana. After that Pavana Muktasana I will teach today pranayama. Okay, breathing technique I will teach today. Okay, fine. Hello.
Yes,
okay?
yes, fine, Ashwini.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Today last asana is Pavana Muktasana, single stretch. Okay. After that this asana, all of you go Shavasana. Okay. Yes, lie down on your mat. If you want any blanket, you can keep it right head. Okay. Both legs forward. Okay. Normal inhale and exhale comfortably. After 2 breaths, okay, I will show you single leg Pavanamuktasana. First inhale, right leg fold, normal inhale and exhale. Do it 6 times. One inhale, exhale. 2 inhale, exhale. 3 inhale, exhale. 4 inhale, exhale. 5 inhale, exhale. 6 inhale, exhale. Relax. Same follow inhale, exhale. Left side, do it yourself. 6 breaths. After 6 breaths, relax your both legs and palm facing upward and relax your leg completely. Now go forward to Shavasana. Completely collapse your body. Relax your whole body. Surrender to the God. Relax and relax. QRT today we can do quick relaxation technique. Relax the face. Relax and relax. Mind a little different thoughts will be coming. Don't follow. Relax the breath. Relax your body. That's all. Don't shake your hand finger and leg finger. Completely normal breathe. You can feel your lower abdomen breathe. In and out breathe. Relax and relax. Gently close your eyes. Okay. Slowly come to normal breathe. Now shake your leg fingers, hand fingers. Left leg fold. Slowly turn right side. Be there only. Slowly come back. Now both hands rub, touch on your eyes and slowly come back. Yes, I already done Pavanamuktasana, one single stretch. Okay, that is good for actually low, upper and middle back belly. Yes. Okay. Now Shavasana done. QRT only, instant Shavasana technique will help you. Yes. After the Shavasana, you have to do pranayama, more benefit. Why? I will suggest you after. Okay? Explain after. Today I will show you one breathing technique. How to breathe properly. I will come forward. You can see comfortably. Yes. Sit on Sukhasana and adopt Chin Mudra. Thumb finger and index finger. Your back should be straight. If you are not comfortable, you can take a pillow and take a wall support or chair like that, or sofa, anything. Comfortable pose, your pose. Any back pain is there, okay? First, I suggest you how to breathe, okay? When inhale, stomach should be inside. When exhale, your stomach should be outside. Okay, this is proper technique of breathing system. Okay, and both hands should be Chin Mudra and gently close your eyes. Okay, If you are not comfortable, your right hand should be lower belly. Okay, you can see my pose. You can observe the breathing technique. Okay, inhale, stomach should be inside. Exhale, stomach should be outside. Okay, do it 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. We continue 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Be focus on your breath. Be focus on your mind. Be focus on your forehead, face, especially lower spine. You have to follow one word in, I will suggest you Kannada, Sahajavada Usirata. Don't take middle breath. One inhalation, one exhalation. Be continue your breathing. Focus on your mind. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Your mind will be searching, inhale and exhale, going on, going on, going on, going on. Your head and skull will be observing, inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Yes. Relax your whole body. Don't open your eyes to anyone. Okay, now move on to Namaskara Mudra. Okay, last prayer. Slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out, one relax. Inhale, Pratyobru. All of you chant prayer, okay? Very simple. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Yes, surrender to the God. And ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ all of you ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವರೂಪಗಳಾದ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ್. Okay.